Our bodies live and die at a cellular level, which means that the billions of cells that make our bodies work to maintain the pH level of our body, keeping us healthy and alive. A healthy pH balance is the first key to defending ourselves from diseases, and maintaining the pH level balanced in the body is very important as germs thrive in an acidic body. What happens when the body is acidic? Acidic levels in the body create the perfect environment for the growth and multiplication of mold, fungus, yeast, viruses, and bacteria, as an acidic state leads to the lack of oxygenation at the cellular level. An acidic body tries to protect itself by storing acid in the fat cells, but when the acidic levels become too high, the calcium in the body gets depleted and vital organs in the body suffer. A study was done by the University of California for 7 years, which involved 9,000 participants. The study proved that those people who were suffering from chronic acidosis were at a higher risk of bone loss compared to those with healthy pH levels maintained in their bodies. When the body is too acidic or too alkaline, various researches have proved that the immune cells in the body which are either too acidic or too alkaline do not produce enough antibodies or cytokines. This leads to the susceptibility of the individuals to get affected by various germs, and also leads to viral, fungal, and bacterial infections. However, alkalizing the body and maintaining the alkaline balance in the body is the key to boosting immunity, and also helps in the regeneration of bone health. Recipe: to make your body alkaline. An alkaline body helps in protecting yourself from various diseases, so it is very important that you maintain the pH balance in your body. Ingredients: purified water, 2 lemons, 2 teaspoons of raw honey. Take a 16 ounces glass and fill it with purified water. Squeeze 2 lemons into the glass of water. Add honey to it and stir well. Keep sipping the lemonade throughout the day and you will start feeling better soon.